Hi, my name's Jules Kim and I'm the Chief Executive Officer of Scarlet Alliance, Australian Sex Workers Association, and the Chairperson of APNSW, the Asia Pacific Network of Sex Workers. In Australia, we're fortunate, with sex work is not criminalised and therefore not considered illegal. Sex workers are able to access government support just like other workers. Many sex workers have been able to access income protection from government economic relief packages. For example, individuals who've had to stop work or had their hours reduced are able to access JobSeeker, and JobKeeper was introduced for employers, contractors and sole traders to support their businesses to financially survive the coronavirus situation. Unfortunately, sex work is regulated at a state level in Australia, and even though sex work was first decriminalised in the world, anywhere in the world in New South Wales in 1995, some states still remain criminalised or legalised and licensed. And due to the varying legality of sex work across the states and territories, as well as the pervasive stigma and discrimination that exists around sex work, there are a number of sex workers who remain excluded from government financial support. Additionally, migrant sex workers, even those on lawful working visas, are not able to access any government support. For this reason, Scarlet Alliance and our member organisations have pulled together an emergency support fund for sex workers to stay safe, housed and fed during the COVID-19 pandemic. All money donated goes directly to sex workers in need, and you can find a link to the fund on chuffed.org through the Scarlet Alliance website. The support fund was translated into 5 key languages within our community, and each week a subcommittee of sex workers reviews the applications based on a self-assessment tool completed by the applicant, and every Thursday the payments are made to the sex workers based on the donations received and the applicants made on to midnight prior on the Tuesday. Of course, the need often exceeds the available donations, and each week we need to promote the fundraiser to ensure there are funds available to provide the much needed financial support for sex workers.